Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, if your PlayStation 5 keyboard isn't working as it should, you're definitely not alone. It's a pretty common frustration, even with the latest software updates in 2025. Sometimes it's just a loose connection, and other times it might be a quick setting tweak. We're going to walk you through some super easy steps to troubleshoot and fix it, so you can get back to gaming or typing without any hassle. Let's start with the absolute basics. First, if it's a wired keyboard, make sure it's securely plugged into a USB port on your PS5. For wireless keyboards, double-check that it's fully charged or that its batteries aren't dead. Also, a quick tip: try connecting your keyboard to a different USB port on the console, as sometimes one port might act up. These simple checks can often resolve the issue right away. Now, let's dive into your PlayStation 5 settings menu. It's crucial to make sure your console is running the very latest system software update, as this often includes important compatibility fixes. Head over to the Settings, then Accessories menu, and check your keyboard's specific settings there. Also, confirm you have the correct keyboard layout selected, like QWERTY or AZERTY, to match your physical keyboard. These small adjustments can make a big difference. If those initial steps didn't work, a simple restart might do the trick. Completely power off your PlayStation 5, unplug it for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in and power it on. This can often clear out temporary software issues. For Bluetooth keyboards, sometimes restarting your PS5 controller, which acts as the Bluetooth hub, can also help. As a more advanced step, you can try rebuilding your console's database in safe mode. It often resolves a variety of system glitches. If you're still experiencing problems, it's a good idea to test your keyboard on another device, like a PC or laptop, to rule out a hardware fault with the keyboard itself. If it works there, then the issue is definitely with your PS5. As a very last resort, you might consider a factory reset of your PS5, but remember this will erase all your data. For persistent, unresolvable issues, don't hesitate to reach out to PlayStation support for their expert guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.